This video is how to make a circle graph. One of the reasons why we need a circle graph for our statistics project is to show how you surveyed your populations. I know most of you have maybe 25 of each population, but when I got my data back, I think I had 41 males and only 27 females, and so my circle graph is going to just quickly show a visual that I surveyed more males than females. And then later in my other graphs, I will put them in percentages so that I can easily compare them, and my data doesn't look skewed because I surveyed more males than females. So let's get started. If you first of all, make sure that you have your information. So if you're putting in how many males and females you surveyed, then you need to have that information. So let me get off of this. You want to have, I surveyed 41 males and 28 females. So I'm going to write that down. And this will be an easy graph to do. So if you'll go to our class website, spencermath7.weebly.com, looks like this. And then click on Units of Study, Statistics. And scroll down here. This is where your circle and bar graph creator is. And if you need videos on anything else, just make sure that you check out some of the other videos. It'll show you how to do things. So circle and bar graph creator. A circle graph is also called a pie chart. So you'll hear it referred to as both. And while we're on here, just want to let you know, you will not, in our statistics project, you will not need any of these three graphs. We're going to do a comparative bar graph, and there will be a video on comparative bar graphs, but these three here you will not do. Line graphs show data over time, and none of us did any data over time with our statistics project. And area graphs and the XY graphs will not show the data that we need to. So we're going to stick with comparative bar graphs and pie charts. So this one, pie chart. Then here are your tabs. So if you click data, we need a title, and my title is going to be population surveyed. And source, you don't really need a source. And because I only surveyed 2 populations, males and females, I'm going to put 2 here. And I did have an other category, and I did have some responses there, but I chose to leave that out and just focus on my males and females because for my project, that's what I wanted to compare, males to females. So males had 41 and females had 28. And you can change the color. You can do whatever colors you want to do. You can also change, you can also change how it looks. You don't have to have the default, but that's up to you. But if you preview it and you're good with it, I might want that population survey to be a little bit larger, so I might change it to like 18 font. Oh, that font. But you play around with it for a little bit. Oh, right here, the fonts. That's what I want, 18 font. There we go. That looks better. And if that looks good to you, then you just right-click, copy image, and then you'll go to your statistics project. If you don't have that pulled up, you'll need to go to your Google Drive or go to Google Classroom and pull up your statistics project. And once you pull that up, you can put your circle graph in. Let's see, I can put it here. And remember, you're supposed to have 5 graphs. You have a frequency table, and there is a video featured on that. The circle graph that we just created, and you can make it smaller or larger. Control V will allow you to paste it on here. And if you don't like it on the left and you want to center it, you can. Here's the alignment. Now it's centered. So you need a frequency table, a circle graph, a comparative bar graph, which looks like this or this. You'll need to have box and whisker plots that shows your quantitative data. Right here is one, and right here's another one. And then one more of your choice, which I had 2 box and whisker plots. So you need to have at least 5 graphs. and then we'll do our analysis paper. I hope this helps.